Hi, my name is Nimatullah and welcome to my YouTube channel. Actually, in this series, I'm going to give you introduction and the usage of ChatGPT in programming, especially in Python. I will show you how to create program and how to use it in real life scenario. So first, what is ChatGPT? Actually, the ChatGPT is a model in AI, okay, that nowadays all people around the world they are using this ChatGPT. So if you have the ChatGPT, that means you have a professor, okay, in your hand. That whatever you need, whatever question you need to ask him, it will answer it, okay. And also it is gonna save a lot of your time, okay. It's gonna save hundreds of your days in your life, and you can use these days in other things, okay, in other tasks. So no matter if you're a programmer, if you're a simple user, or even if you're a freelancer, okay, that's no matter at all. You can use ChatGPT to build program, okay. And through this series, we're going to go how to create programs in Python using ChatGPT, and how we can learn Python programming or even new programming language with this ChatGPT. So through this series, I'm going to take you through some real life scenario, okay? Through the course or package that I'm going to upload them all in one playlist. You can check the playlist, okay? And it is a course actually. I will show you how to solve some problem in real life scenario, okay? Or how we can create a program to make our job, to make our work easier, okay? The job or the task that I'm doing in a day, I'm going to build a program that it's going to do that for me just in a minute, okay? So the program that we're going to build here, the first program is to create a program to generate subtitle, okay? For our course, I have courses on Udemy, okay, that needs subtitle. So I'm going to build a program that generate subtitle for my courses, okay. And this is the first program that I'm going to build. Another program I'm going to build is to convert videos to audio, okay, or podcast. For example, you're working on learning new languages like German, Russian, any new language, okay? So if you have videos and you're not able to watch them or something, and you're trying to convert them to audio, and if there is hundreds of hours, this program is going to change it or convert it to audio just in 5 minutes or 10 minutes, or if it is less, then it's gonna change it or convert it in a minute. And also I'm going to build another program, okay, that convert all the subtitle to any other language or translate this. For example, first your video is in English language, okay. You generate, okay, we use one of the program that we build to generate subtitles. So now we have the English subtitle here, and I need German subtitle here. So I will build another program to translate this English subtitle to German, okay? So that is kind of cool. And I'm going to go that through them all in one playlist, and you can follow that in my YouTube channel for free, okay? Completely for free. So to help me grow on YouTube, please like this video and also subscribe my channel. And if you have time, please share this with your friend. So let's go and start it. The first thing we need is to have an IDE. Okay, if you can use a text editor, a simple text editor, but I'm going to show you how to install an IDE. Okay, the IDE that I'm going to use through this course is called vscode or Visual Studio Code. It's very popular. I will show you how you can install it, how you can use it, how you can improve it, okay? So the first thing we need is the vscode. Okay, I can search for code.visualstudiocode.com, and within here you can see when we search it, okay, the website is here. I click on it, and down here you see it has a download for Windows, and down here when I hit these arrows you can see that it has for Mac, Windows, and also for Linux. So you can download it, and you can, I'm sure you can install it in your system. All this, we can come here and open this. Okay, Visual Studio Code, I will open it. Within here you see we have Explorer, and you can use Control-Shift-E to go to Explorer. Okay, all the file will be listed there if you open it. Also we have the search, we have source control, we have run and debug. Okay, you can use it to debug your Python script or any other language. And also we have extension, which is very important. Okay, I will show you how to install some important extension as well within this video. Okay, let's hit this extension, and within here we can search for some extension, some important extension, and we will see how to install it. The first extension that I'm going to install is called Code Runner. So the next one is the Chat GPT. Okay, there is a lot of Chat GPT extension that you can use. I am going to suggest you the Chat GPT for B2IO. This is the Chat GPT that I think it doesn't need any API key. Okay, we just can start this, and we can type our question. Okay, and it will answer your question. If you have any idea or anything, any script you want, it will provide it for you. It works just like the Chat GPT itself. Let's say, can you help me with my Python script? And it will answer that like this. You see that it is providing answers. So if you have any specific question, or if you need any script, you can ask it. You can have your script here, and then you can copy this and provide it in your file, and then you can use it. Okay, now here you see that I have a course that it is about 30 chapter. Okay, and it is about 25 or 24 hours of video, and it doesn't have subtitle. Okay, I didn't generate a subtitle for this, so I need to create a program that I can use that program to generate subtitle, English subtitle for my course that I have here. Okay, so we can use the video, or we can change this video to audio, and then we can generate subtitle for this course. Okay, if I sit down and start typing subtitle for this, it's gonna take me about 2 or 3 or even 5 days. But if I create the script and I can use it, it's gonna take about an hour. And every time I create courses, I can use that program, and that would be so easy for me, and I can save about 4 days of my life. So, okay, within this course, I have a lot of video. Like, let's go with attack on user. You see that I have videos on getting control over Windows or Android. And as you see, they don't have the subtitle yet ready. So I need to provide a subtitle for this course. Okay, and okay, now it is time to go to ChatGPT and start asking questions. Okay, I can ask, hello, I have a big course. Can you help me to generate subtitle for my course using Python scripting or not? And it will answer me like this. As you see, it is giving me a very good description, and it's telling me that you need to install the library Google Cloud Speech, and here is the script ready. Okay, now I can use this. Okay, I can use this script to generate a bit of subtitle. Okay, that is not just that simple. Okay, I need to go step by step. Okay, I need to cover this from very basic, and then I can ask ChatGPT to improve this step by step for me. Okay, and I am going to have a complete program at the end to do that task for me without any error. Okay, at all.